and 4 from our Blooms. This one is from a Rappler, Ivy Pedida. So you've been, of course, churning out content for the Blooms non-stop since you guys concluded your successful world tour. First, the Shaggy music video, now a photo book. Any future plans that you guys would like to share sa 88 Blooms natin?
Yeah, so mga aabangan ng Blooms. Our 88 Blooms and sa lahat ng Blooms is of course we will be releasing new album, may Tagalog songs, English songs, lahat ng songs. So I hope you guys look forward to it.
Yes, and makikita nyo na ulit kami Bloom sa mga festivals and of course sa Ibalong Festival kung saan si Gwen.
Yeah.
And meron din kaming concert for Coke Studio and ano pa ba?
Aurora
Music Festival sa Davao.
See you people in Davao Blooms!
Yes, I love it. So exciting, grabe. Marami nang ganang ulit yung Beanie here in the Philippines after being away for so long. I remember sinabi ni Jo na parang nung bumalik sila dito after the world tour, work na work kayo, di ba?
Yes.
Na-miss niyo mag-work.
Opo, and it's time to bawi sa mga Blooms natin sa Visayas and Mindanao.
Of course, di ba? Yung last time natin doon, I think Beanieverse Regional pa ata. So we're ready to see you guys again. Okay, thank you so much, Ivy Pedida of Rappler. Ngayon naman from Nika Sabio of Push ABS-CBN. If you girls were to write a new song inspired by the experiences and memories that you had in the past months, what would be its title and why?
Siguro yung title, More Than a Band.
Wow!
Nasa isip ko na kasi matagal na. Hindi ko lang magawa. Pero yun yung gusto kong title. Parang song na yun siguro about sisterhood, about kung ano talaga meron kami na hindi talaga nakikita ng mga tao.
Basta si Stacy gagawa ng tono.
Sample.
More Than a Band.
More than a band, have a little hope for us. More than a band. Ito pa. Gagawan din ni Stako to ng tono. Ang title niya, Look Back. Kasi
Okay,
parang
Look Back.
gusto namin mag-reminisce ng mga moments namin before, mga pinagdaanan and everything. Stacey, anong tono ng Look Back? Look back, you're rocking the boat.
Bongga, Look Back and More Than a Band. I love it. Thank you so much. Nika Sabio of Push ABS-CBN, thank you for submitting your questions. Ngayon naman from the Daily Tribune, we have Pauline Pascual. In the face of controversy and of course criticism, syempre hindi yun mawawala. How does Beanie turn the noise into fuel, balancing the pressure and using it as a weapon to come back stronger?
Kapag po may criticisms or controversies, hindi naman ako magpe-pretend na it doesn't affect me at all. Siyempre, we hear it, we feel it, but at the same time, you know, sabi nila, choose your battles. So, ginagawa namin yun. Kung may lesson, I learn. Kapag nasasaktan kami, we turn it into motivation na lang po to do better and work hard.
Yes, and idagdag ko lang kay Gwen, kay Gwen, sino si Gwen? Dagdag ko lang kay Gwen, criticism, we use it as a reminder na people are still watching and our voice still matters. Diba? Parang mas nakakatakot kapag wala nang may pakialam sa amin. And kahit ano namang gawin natin, diba? Ito yung mundo natin eh. May masasabi yung mga tao. Pag may nagawa ka mali, magagalit sila. Kapag masyado ka mabait, too good to be true daw, diba? So kami, we choose to take the noise and turn it into something na mas makakatulong sa amin. So, siguro ganun kami bumangon. We turn the pain into power.
Pain to Power. Feel ko yun na yung next single, Pain to Power. O, diba? Stako, ano yung Pain to Power?
Pain to power, pain to power. I got the power, I got the power.
Thank you so much. Okay, thank you also to our friends from the media for sending your questions. Ngayon naman, we have one last question from, of course, Sir Chris O. Ramos of One Music. Hello, Sir Chris. Okay, so if you guys could point one specific picture from your photo book that triggers the most heart-melting memories, what would it be and why?
For me po, siguro yung
NFT kasi ang daming nangyari nung time na yon. It's our first concert, tapos 3 days pa siya. And even before that, ang dami talagang nangyari personally and also sa amin team. We got sick, we did so many things before the concert, sobrang daming preparations din, we got exhausted even before it started. But the good thing about it is, nairaos namin and through the photos, parang it really shows a reminder na, okay, this is, ito yung mga na-accomplish natin, but people didn't know na ang dami palang nangyari behind those photos.
I love it. Thank you so much, Aya. Last, may gusto bang mag-add?
Ako po, I would like to choose Araneta, the concert sa Araneta, kasi biglaan rin po na after just a couple of months ng NFT, we performed for the very first time a 360 concert, and it was also for 3 nights, and we're so grateful to our Blooms that they made it sold out. And yeah, I think we realized that how passionate we were with each and every performance we did, with the duos we did, how hands-on we were, and how badly we wanted this, and how happy it made us to perform.
Congratulations, Dini, on all the success. Gusto ko lang